Hello everyone, myself Apoorva Mishra. I am the Data Science and Business Analytics Intern at the Sparks Foundation. I have completed my task 1 given by them, which was prediction using supervised machine learning. In this task, we have to predict the percentage of a student based on the number of study hours. This is a simple linear regression task as it involves just 2 variables. We also have multiple regression model where multiple independent variables are used to calculate one dependent variable. So the problem statement given in this task was to predict the score of a student if a student studies for 9.25 hours per day. First of all, I have imported important libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. Then I have imported the dataset with the help of read_CSV function. In the dataset, we can see that we have given hours and scores respectively. To find out the shape of the data, I have used df.shape, which gives out 25 rows and 2 columns. Then I have simply plotted a scatter plot. In this, to find out if the data is linear or not. In this graph, we can clearly see that there is a positive relation between the number of hours studied and the percentage of score. Then I have checked for any missing values. So we did not have any missing values in our dataset. Then I have splitted the data into dependent and independent variables, that is attributes and labels. I have done this with the help of ilog function. Then we need to split our data into training dataset and testing dataset so that prediction does not overfit or underfit. Here the test size represents the data we want for testing, that is 20%, and the rest of the data is training data. I have given the random state value as 0. Then I have selected a model LR and fitted the model. Then I have plotted a regression line, that is y equals to mx plus c, plotted for the test data. We can see that the scores and the study hours are in linear relation. Then I have predicted the value and compared with the actual value. The predicted value came out to be closer to the actual values. Then the final step is to evaluate the performance of the algorithm. This step is particularly important to compare how well different algorithms perform on a particular dataset. So we can see coefficient intercept values for our outliers and also mean absolute error and variance for the predicted values and actual test values of the dependent variable. Then I have plotted a graph for the test dataset. So we have completed the model, and now we need to find out the solution for the problem statement. In the problem statement, we were given that 9.25 hours if a student study. I have passed this value in our model. It gives the predicted value as 93.691. So we can conclude that if a student studies for 9.25 hours per day, according to the model, the predicted score is 93.69. So that's all for my task. Thank you.